So guys, hope it's going good. Well, the Munchkin ended up having to get braces, so we were doing some reviews. I think this one had 20,000 reviews, and so with getting braces, you got to clean your teeth like every time you eat, or at least they recommend that, so you don't get cavities. And so we ended up getting this Waterpik to make the days easier. And this is a cordless one, and it looks like it has the base fills with water. There's those tanked ones that you could set up on your counter and stuff like that that probably hold a lot more water, but they the counter space is limited then. So let's see what this Waterpik Hydro Pulsar 2.0 has inside it. Oh, look at that. We get a cleaning, a register, and save on $50 on a Waterpik registration. It looks like a whole bunch of stuff. You clean your tongue and stuff like that, so we'll have to see about that. Got some Flosser. It's probably like a little bag, a little silky bag. What the heck? One hand, I don't have this thing on the tripod. I should have had this on the tripod. There's our power supply. Chance here. Sorry, guys. Oh man, as I break it because I'm retarded. Ugh. I'll put the pause on for a minute, guys. The boss is cooking dinner real quick. Hold on. All right. Excuse me. So yeah, so that was just egg shaped in there in the package. Oh, I still got one more thing there. Darn it. Pausing it again, guys. This pic's in there. Sorry. So this is a model WP580 series. Hydro Pulsar Waterpik model 580. WP580. So this is like a little cleaner thing that you can put your picks in. So this one comes with two. Looks like a tongue looking thing. And a sprayer wand. So, that's what we got in the package. And going here. Sorry guys, this is like it had a half charge at least right off the bat. So, and yeah, I'll put you down again, guys. Sorry. So real quick there, I'm gonna go put a little water in it and shoot it. But it comes with got a tongue, a couple different nozzles, and this plug piece. So maybe that goes in here so you don't break it or something like that. But just stick it in there like that. It looks like. Oh, I don't want to do that. Hold on, pause it, guys. Sorry. So this goes in there really easy. I'll show you, but this is how this little button right here is how you can take it out. But it goes in simple. I mean, that snaps in one-handed, and you push that and pull it out. Right now, I'd have to put the phone down to do it. But I'm going to pause it again. We're going to put a little water in it. I'm just going to shoot it for a second, and then I got to put it on the charger and stuff. But see you in a second, guys. So I got this. So when you sit in here, it has this little filled thing. It says in the package how much water it holds. Oh, look at that. That thing shoots pretty dang far. So, but yeah. So let's see if I can do my thing. Sounds pretty good. I don't know how good that looked, but yeah, so that's what it is. It's got a lot of juice. That'll definitely spray a couple feet, so you shut it off, and oh look, that was on low. Oh man, we're in trouble here. Oh, you could win a water gun fight with this. Oops, I had it down. So that little bit, it does go fast on your filler. So I don't know, I'd have to go get a measuring cup. Oh, there it is. It says it in there what it is. 100, 140. So it says what kind of water flow in there, but I'd have to get my measuring cup out to really measure how much water it is. But definitely good enough to clean your face. And then if you're freaking at your house or a hotel, you could freaking refill it at the sink. So definitely low, medium, high, and then the battery charger view, and that's it. You just could drain it back out there or just burn it up. And yeah, so far I like it. We'll have Arabella give it a try and see how she likes it. Thanks, guys. So one thing I want to talk about, this thing is like the toothbrushes, so it doesn't have any plugs where you can get hurt. It's like a magnetic thing. But it says, place this shown, so I don't know if I got to lay it on its side or what, but it doesn't. That's weird. That is sort of weird how the charger works. I'm on the charging spot where it showed. I don't I'm going to get back to it, because it says place charger as shown position. So it's not, you could, oh, there it goes. Okay, so it's magnetic. Boom, and you can see it charging up on there. So it stays on it on its own. So you can set it up like that, and then it charges. So I don't know. I would think that would show, but when it was backwards, it didn't stick to it. So it's sticking to it now. We'll just let it sit and go to charge it and come back later. But yeah, overall, when you go to that high setting, you're going to use your little tank of water up quick. So that's pretty good for when you got to clean your braces and stuff like that. But thanks, guys. Talk to you later.